So welcome back to Focus Real Estate's Pro Tip Series, and this is the month of April, and our theme is this month is loving on your SOI, or your sphere of influence. And one of our favorite ways to make contact with the people that we are around, with our past clients and sphere and friends and neighbors, is just doing a quick little pop-by. And a pop-by is exactly that, popping by unannounced to say hello. Now, if you're a little bit more shy, we've certainly had a number of agents that work with us that just pop by, drop the gift off, ring the bell, and leave. Or also, it's much more powerful to stop in, ring the bell, say hello, but don't be too long-winded. Drop them off a nice little gift. So what we did this month in 2021 for April pop-by was a quick little tote here. Just put a little focus sticker on it and a couple boxes of Girl Scout cookies. We got a couple whammies out of this. We got an opportunity to stop by and say hello to our clients, as well as support the local Girl Scouts, and in particular, one Girl Scout that was entrepreneurial enough to stop in our office and say, would you be willing to buy some Girl Scout cookies for me? And we said, absolutely. How about if we just buy 100 boxes? So anyway, that is one of our favorite ways to pop by, kind of dividing your list up into different months and deciding how many times you want to pop by a year and dropping off a little gift for them just to say hello and that you're thinking of them. It's a great way to be top of mind, and you never know what they're thinking at that moment. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. And if you have any questions, drop a line.